Normally, I would say that we're celebrating or we're starting off on a sad note, but this is a celebration because Elva was a celebratory person. So, the funeral service for comedian and media personality Elva Ruddock has been set for Saturday, November 10 at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium at Jamaica College. In keeping with her wishes, there will be no wake or nine-night. However, a celebration of her life party will be held immediately following the Thanksgiving service. So, as I said, you know, she was never a person to be sad. She didn't want people to be sad. She was always up and at 'em. She was always happy. And, you know, her being here, because she's been here with us before, and her energy is just wonderful. I still feel her energy, and we're not going to be sad about it. So, everyone, the 10th of November at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium, please come on out. She made our lives so much fun. Pay your last respects and come and dance the night away, because trust me, she would have done it.
Yeah, and that's next week Saturday. And I'm glad to see comedians like Johnny Daly just paying homage to her.
Well, they were close enough. They were almost best friends as far as I know, so they were very, very close, as well as Jerry Benswick.
And what I've realized is people aren't sad about her part because they even make jokes about it all the same. I know Marlon Campbell was having his thing on Instagram and on social media, and this is how you celebrate someone's life.
She doesn't want anybody to be crying. She'd have probably cuss you off and give you some good.
Yeah,
you know?
Because even when I think it was Dr. Abrams was talking about when her mother died, and he went to see her just as send condolences. It's like, you know, she's like, what are you crying for?
So, you know, we're going to big up, in the words of Miss Kitty, big up your nice, clean self, Elva. Yeah. We're going to come and celebrate you next week, Saturday.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, the words of Miss Kitty.
Yes, I had to lead into it.
Yeah. Great accomplishment. Miss Kitty graduates with honors.
Whoop, whoop, whoop,
so in the midst of a 24/7 career, the radio presenter, performer, columnist, and philanthropist, Kadeen Hilton, a.k.a. Miss Kitty, has pursued something that has always been her passion, and that's law. Miss Kitty, I cannot do that.
You can't do what?
It just said to me I should do it. Miss Kitty.
La 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 la
I cannot do that.
la 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 la.
Miss Kitty graduated from UWI with first-class honors and was the valedictorian and spoke on the behalf of the faculties of law and social sciences.
Do we have a piece of it? Are we going to play it? Or
I can't do that.
No? You have to do it.
Yeah,
la 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 la.
I can't do it.
You have to have a very light tongue to do that.
So is my tongue heavy?
I don't know. You say you can't do it.
Suggest it. No. But it's a great accomplishment. It's one of those things that you see because people always see other people and they never know what they're capable of. And I listened part of the valedictory speech yesterday. Some of the words she used, I was like,
I know, right?
Man,
sometimes I feel like she try to feel dunce because our word them just up, and I'm like, what she mean by that? I have to go research it and stuff. But you know,
brilliant,
I appreciate your intelligence, Kadeen. You are fantastic. Big up your nice, clean self.
Kamika asked if I remember any other lines. I don't remember any other words because I don't think I can pronounce them. But she was very inspiring.
Yeah, man.
It was an inspiring moment to see, and the graduates who were there, I just looked at all of them, and it's a sight to behold. I love seeing graduation.
Did you see her walking up the aisle to her graduation? I saw a clip of it, and it was so funny. You know, all of the other people are walking. They're walking nice. She's going up the aisle. She's like, "Hi there. How you doing? What's up?"
Yeah, because she's not just the valedictorian.
No, she's Miss Kitty.
She's everything.
Yeah, you know, so everybody knows her and she's relatable. That's one of the best things
larger than
about
life.
her.
Like she's just that kind of person.
It was wonderful,
Yeah,
and congratulations to you. I look forward to seeing her in a court of law, though, don't you? Lord of mercy, like I want in the courtroom when she try a case and stuff. I want to see it. All right, well, talking about wonderful things, Dalton, he's been on everybody's lips, right? A performance as poignant as it was powerful. Dalton Harris's rendition of Whitney Houston's "I Have Nothing was one of the standouts of week 2 during X Factor UK finals. It will air today on TVJ at 3:35 p.m. So wherever you there, finding yourself onto one spot, finding yourself in front of a telly, just make sure that you can watch him. And it's not enough to watch him. It's not enough to post it on social media. It's not enough to brag about that fact that he's Jamaican. What's important is that
gotta
you put
vote.
your money where your mouth
You
is
got to
and
vote.
vote.
You have to vote.
V-O-T-E, vote, 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 vote.
You have to vote
okay?
for Dalton.
All right.
We have a clip to play.
Try that now. Try
you
try
have
my
to-
ear.
You have to vote for Dalton.
Take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. But don't make me close one more love. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Send my arms if you're there. I'ma stand to you there. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more love. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. I'ma stand to you there. Don't walk away from me, no. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you.
Yes.
And one of the judges said if Jamaica had an Olympics for singing, that's our Usain Bolt.
Duh.
Boy, bad
And
man.
we as
Boy,
Jamaican not charter talented.
Yeah, and we're
And we're talented in all things. We're
We-
talented in hairdressing.
We say
We're
talent.
talented in barbering.
Okay.
We're talented in running.
Jamaicans are extremely unique. 54-year-old St. Thomas resident Darren Hussein has been wearing a natural
shake it up.
headgear-
Them have to
Well,
see it
wait.
good.
Okay, you got it? A natural headgear since 1982, his hair hat, and he expects that he will be buried in it. The star first highlighted Hussein's hairstyle in 2005. So eye-catching was his hair that television stations in Japan invited him for a 2-week trip to Tokyo. It's been 13 years since he got the opportunity to fly as a result of his hair.
No, talk truth. If you
Look at
never
this.
get a free trip, go to Tokyo
Look
with
at
your
this.
ears so you wouldn't do it, sir.
Look at this.
That body? Not that I'd wear that, but that bad.
I know somebody would have wear it.
Who?
Benji. That fit him.
Benji, I chewing and kind of look like you. I'm gonna put this beside Benji face.
Hey, I put it beside
Then I
Benji.
look at Benji.
Let's put this on Benji head. But okay, so I was listening to Dalton a while ago, and then I see this, and last night I had a chance to sit in at a karaoke. It's the most entertaining thing
Yeah?
I've seen in a long
Karaoke
time.
is fun.
Yeah, man. I mean, I haven't been to one in about 3 years, but this time, last night I was there, this gentleman was just bawling. Like the woman had left him, because
Oh,
the song that he was sing, the man just a sing and he must sing. Song after song after song.
Maybe me get left for
And
true.
I said, Virgin, you alright? I said, yeah, man. And I sing Sam Smith, something.
Anything by Sam Smith,
Yeah,
a balling song, so
Yeah,
it no
man,
matter.
man, going at some, you know, you think I was bad?
No, please
No,
stop.
hold on. You think I was bad? He's terrible.
Oh, gosh.
But it was fun.
Whoever you are out there, Dwayne didn't mean it. Okay, he didn't mean it.
I mean, I cheered him on, you know, because it was entertaining.
Well, that's it for the trending topics, guys. We will be right back with the rest of
I've
the show.
got nothing.
Oh, God.
Nothing.